I beg to disagree with the Deputy Chief Minister when he said that the issue of land is not needed to be discussed in this August House. So let me, for the benefit of this August House, let me inform that the Army, they are in the habit or practice to claim land, not only in Maushput. So in Longtrai constituency, there are many stations, like the Air Force, the Assam Rifle. So I have encountered with these people, so I know. So which is why when the honorable member asks the government to produce or to lay the document in the table of the House, I think it is a very pertinent demand, sir. So if the government feels that, yes, the Army, they are having a document, a valid document, what is the problem for the government to lay it in the table of the House, sir? We need proof, because there's a claim and counterclaim from the village and the Army. But I know for sure that if we are not seeing with our own eyes, on the documents, we will not believe that the land belongs to the Army. Because when we, sell a land to the armed forces or to anyone, we have to keep in mind that according to the practice of Hazis, no one has the right to sell the portion of the road also. They may buy some other portion, but not the portion of the road. The portion of the road always belongs to the people, sir. So therefore, we need to be sure that the claim of the Army is genuine, sir.
It is up to you to reply, because
sir, yeah.
this is slightly straying away from the principal question.
No, sir.
It is up to you whether you want to reply or not, because it maybe the different department will have to.
No, let me reply, sir. I will reply to it. I'm so thankful to the honourable member from Longtrai who raised this issue. It is true, yes. I'm not saying that I'm hiding away about the documents. But let me tell you one thing. As far as this particular issue is concerned, black and white land document is there. That's what I'm saying. So we don't need to spend much time on that. What I'm saying is we would like to get a permanent solution. So a permanent solution on this particular issue is very, very important, because we would like to see that the villagers, the Maushput locality does not suffer anymore. So now, sir, seriously, we are taking it up with this. And that's what, otherwise I can easily lay the land document. There is no harm for that. But why I said that, sir? Because as I said to you, we have seen it, and the land document is already there. So therefore, we would like to focus more with the Defense Authority that we should get a permanent solution on this particular issue.